Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Noor Halipah, majoring Mathematics Education, Class C 2019 at Islamic State Antasari, Banjarmasin. This video is present to English for Mathematics subject, lecture by Mr. Ahmad Wafa, Nizami, M.Pd. This video, I will discuss the material for Class 8, Arithmetic Sequence and Series. Before, let's remember what a sequence and a series is. A sequence is a set of numbers that are in order, and a series is the sum of the term of a sequence of numbers. The first, A. Arithmetic sequence. Definition: an arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is always a constant number. The fixed number is called difference and is the do not pay B. Also, consider the following number sequence: A. The number 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. B. The number 2, 8, 14, 20. C. The number 30, 25, 20, 15. A, B, C represent an arithmetic sequence. What the reason? Let's see. Arithmetic sequence example. A. The number 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Item that makes of a sequence is called a term. The first number in the sequence is called the first term. The second number called the second term. And so on, like this term in a sequence are usually symbolized by a lowercase a. The first term is called A1. We can say that in this particular sequence term, A1 equals to the number 1. In this sequence, the next term is obtained from the previous term plus 3. It can be said that the difference in term is 3, or B equals 3. B. The number 2, 8, 14, 20. In this sequence, the next term is obtained from the previous term plus 6. It can be said that the difference in term is 6, or B equals 6. C. The number 30, 25, 20, 15. In this sequence, the next term is obtained from the previous term plus minus 5. It can be said that the difference in term is minus 5, or B equal minus 5. In general, it can be said as follows. If UN is the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, then it implies B equals U to the base n minus U to the base n minus 1. The general formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, where the first term U1 is the next by A and the difference to B, can be determined as follows. U to the base 1 equals A. U to the base 2 equals U to the base 1 plus B equals A plus B. U to the base 3 equals U to the base 2 plus B equals A plus B. In bracket, plus B equals A plus 2 times B. u to the base 4 equals u to the base 3 plus b equals a plus 2 times b in bracket plus b equals a plus 3 times b. U to the base 5 equals u to the base 4 plus b equals a plus 3 times b in bracket plus b equals a plus 4 times b. So that u to the base n equals u to the base n minus 1 plus b equals a plus n minus 1 in bracket times b. So the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence is u to the base n equals a plus n minus 1 in bracket times b. Example 1. Find the 8 and 20 term of the sequence the number minus 3, 2, 7, 12. Answer. From the number minus 3, 2, 7, 12, the first term is a equals minus 3. The difference is b equals 2 minus negative 3 equals 5. By substituting a and b, we get un equal minus 3 plus n minus 1 in bracket times 5. X term ux equal minus 3 plus 8 minus 1 in bracket times 5 equals 32. 20 term u20 equals minus 3 plus 20 minus 1 in bracket times 5 equals 92. Example 2. Given the arithmetic sequence, the number minus 2, 1, 4, 7, 40. Find the number of terms of the sequence. Answer. From the sequence we get a equals minus 2, b equals 1 minus negative 2 equals 3, un equals 40. The formula for the nth term is un equals a minus n minus 1 in bracket times b. So 40 equals minus 2 plus n minus 1 in bracket times 3. 40 equals 3 times n minus 5. 3 times n equals 45. Since 3 times n equals 45, we get n equals 15. So the number of terms in the above sequence is 15. B. Arithmetic series. Definition. Suppose u to the base 1, u to the base 2, u to the base 3 until u to the base n are terms of an arithmetic sequence. U to the base 1 plus u to the base 2, u plus u to the base 3 plus until plus u to the base n is called an arithmetic series, with u to the base n equals a plus n minus 1 in bracket times b. An arithmetic series is the sum of the first n term of an arithmetic sequence. The sum of the first n term of a sequence of number is denoted as. Thus, s equals u to the base 1 plus u to the base 2 plus u to the base 3 plus until plus u to the base n. For understand the step to determine the formula S, consider the following example. Example. Given an arithmetic sequence, the number 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Find the sum of the fifth term of the sequence. Answer. The sum of the fifth term can be written as follows: s to the base 5 add off to get to s to the base 5 equals 5 times 16. S to the base 5 equals 5 times 16 over 2. S to the base 5 equal 40. So the sum of the fifth term of the sequence is 40. Determine the general formula for the s to the base n as follows. The general formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence is u to the base n equal a plus n minus 1 in bracket times b. Therefore, u to the base 1 equals a equals a. U to the base 2 equals a plus b equal u to the base n minus 2 in bracket times b. U to the base 3 equal a plus 2 times b equals u to the base n minus 3 in bracket times b. So that u to the base n equals a plus n minus 1 in bracket times b equals u to the base n. Thus we get equals a plus u to the base n minus 2 in bracket times b in bracket plus u to the base n minus 3 in bracket times b in bracket plus until plus u to the base n. It can also be stated that the size of each term is b less than the next term. U to the base n minus 1 equals u to the base n minus b. U to the base n minus 2 equals u to the base n minus 1 minus b equals u to the base n minus 2b. And so on, so that s to the base n can be written s to the base n equals a plus u to the base n minus 1 in bracket times b in bracket plus until plus u to the base n minus 2b in bracket plus u to the base n minus b in bracket plus u to the base n. From equation 1 and 2, if we add off, we get 2s to the base n equals a plus u to the base n in bracket plus a plus u to the base n in bracket plus 8 plus u to the base n in bracket plus until plus u to the base n in bracket. Therefore, s to the base n equals n times a plus u to the base n in bracket. S to the base n equals n times a plus n minus 1 in bracket times b in bracket. S to the base n equals n times 2a plus n minus 1 in bracket times b in bracket. So, the general formula for the sum of the first n term of an arithmetic series is s to the base n equals 1/2 times n times a plus u to the base n in bracket, or s to the base n equals 1/2 times n times 2a plus n minus 1 in bracket times b in square bracket. On which formula we use depends on the information we have to start with. Let's take a closer look at each formula and see how it is used. Example 1. Find the sum of the first 100 term of the series 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Answer. It is known that a equals 2, b equals 4 minus 2 equals 2, and n equals 100. S to the base 100 equals 1/2 times 100 open square bracket 2 times 2 plus 100 minus 1 in bracket times 2 close square bracket equals 50 open square bracket times 4 plus 198 close square bracket equals 50 times 202 equals 10,100. So, the sum of the first 100 terms of the series is 10,100. So that's a lesson about arithmetic sequence and series. Thank you for watching. Sorry for the lag. See you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.